Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 21st of December, 2023. We're going to talk about Cardano and give you some information off of the price chart that you don't want to ignore, because it looks as if the buyers are still trying to lift the price in this currency. So let's go ahead and break this down. We did a price prediction in Cardano on December the 8th. You guys can see that we were bullish at that moment. Price hit our ultimate TP price on the 13th. Congratulations to those who was able to grab that 24.12% out the market in just a couple of days. Now you can also tell from the price action in ADA that this sell zone down here is no longer valid, meaning that the buyers has taken those sellers out the way, so we could get rid of it. They have also chipped away at this pretty big range of selling in the market in ADA. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take this sell zone and minimize it to where the market could not trade above. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that here first. So this is where the most important closest selling is occurring into the market in Cardano. So we may actually see the market try to attempt to break that range over the next couple of weeks, days. And if they do, then this will be our next target up there around 75 cents in ADA. Okay, so we got those targets already laid out. Now, you guys can see over the last 3 or 4 trading days, the market in ADA has been holding price. I would say, let me break this down here. I'm gonna break that into a smaller chart to see really where the buying is occurring into the market in Cardano. Okay, so the market buying is really holding right around here. Okay, so this range is where the market buyers has determined that they are willing to buy this currency at, okay, because they didn't want the market to fall lower than that range. So we got these areas delineated as to where the buyers are versus where the sellers are. Okay, now you guys can also see closer to where price currently resides, this is a sell zone as well. Okay, so pretty much we are simply marking where there are bigger blocks of selling and buying occurring at price ranges. Okay, that's all. So this is a sell zone up here at the top. Here would be another sell zone there, not too far away for ADA. And this is a bigger one right here. Okay, so these areas here, the market will have to overcome and take these sellers out the way before we're able to see the market in ADA run to 74, 75 cents. Okay, so let's see, what do you think about that really occurring? Will ADA break these sell zones and continue to see the market go up? I think so, especially these two sell zones here. I don't think those are going to be too major for the buyers to actually continue to move the market up. But my next concern would be like 65 cents. I don't know if those buyers will really move the market there. And then we have this other area up here at the top. Okay, so here it is on the 5-day time frame. Let's look at that here. So here's ADA on the 5. You can see 12 hours and 9 minutes. So it's not done printing, but this currently should be telling you, or at least it's showing us, that the buyers are still there buying the market in ADA. It's not a bad thing, it's a good thing. Here's on the 3-day chart. Look at the last 3 days. That just simply tells us the same story, that the buyers came and bought the sellers who sold over the last 6 days. Okay, here it is on the weekly. Here's on the 2-day time frame. Very slow and methodical move higher, but even here on the 2-day chart, you can see that the market in ADA is making higher lows. Okay, so they're trying to move the market up. How high? That is the question of concern for many of the market participants in ADA. But that's going to be my price prediction, is for ADA to continue to inch higher, not necessarily moon up to 75 cents. It may be a very slow process, but simply means maybe we're just going to consolidate, trade within the channel for a couple of days, a couple of weeks. But I'm done. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm thinking. Like I said, I don't think these first 2 sell zones is going to be too impactful for the buyers. So my first target is going to be here at this upper sell zone around 64, 65 cents. That is 6.64% there. And then my second target going to be on the low end of that upper sell zone, which is 9.34. And then the third target is going to be around 68, 69, 11.91% there. I really want to see the price action though. If we quickly hit these sell zones, then our next target will have to run up to 75 cents. But if the market in ADA is very slow, like it's having problems trying to go up, then we may not even run to that 75 cent price. So I just want to tell you all that too. All right, so I'm finished. You guys are up. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.